3 bakery quality breads, each under $2, and you probably already have everything you need to make them. I'm Rosa, and if you've been looking for easy bread recipes for beginners that actually save you money, then this is it. Store-bought artisan bread, $4 to $6 each. These, all under $2. It's a no-brainer. And honestly, they taste way better. We're making garlicky pull-apart bread, a soft, fluffy pita bread, and restaurant-quality focaccia. No bread machine, no weird ingredients. Just budget-friendly baking that anyone can master. Now let's get started. First up, this simple garlic pull-apart bread recipe that costs just $1.50 to make. Soft inside, golden and garlicky on the outside, and perfect for pasta night, party appetizers, or honestly, just Netflix snacking. Here's what you need, and I'm betting you have most of this already. In a large bowl, combine your flour, yeast, garlic powder, sugar, and salt. Give it a quick mix. Add your warm water and your oil. And here's a tip. The water should feel like a comfortable bath. If it's too hot, it'll kill the yeast. Now we need 5 minutes by hand, or use a stand mixer if you have one, but you absolutely don't need a fancy equipment for this. You're looking for smooth, elastic dough that springs back when you poke it. That's proper gluten development happening. Cover it with a damp towel and let it rise for about an hour until it doubles in size. While that's happening, let's make our garlic oil. Look at that. Soft, fluffy layers with those garlicky herb edges. This is restaurant quality bread for the price of a gas station candy bar. Have you ever made bread from scratch? Comment yes or not yet. I want to know. If you're loving these budget-friendly meals, you'll definitely want to check out my brand new Plant Some Pennies meal plan. It's packed with affordable, delicious recipes just like these, all for under $5 total. I break down the cost, give you meal prep tips, and even show you how to turn leftovers into brand new meals so nothing goes to waste. You can grab it right now through the link below and start saving money while eating plant-based. Next up, and this one is Jimmy's personal favorite, homemade pita bread. Best part, you can make 6 of these for under $1. Let me show you how to make pita bread at home. It's way easier than you think. 16 cents per pita. Think about that the next time you're paying $4 for a pack of 6 at the store. Start by dissolving your yeast and sugar in warm water. Let it sit for about 5 minutes until it gets foamy. That's how you know that your yeast is alive and ready to work. You'll notice a theme here. Bread is mostly just waiting. The actual work, super minimal. Once it doubles, divide your dough into 6 equal pieces and roll each one into a round flat circle, about 1/4 inch thick. Now here's the magic. Heat a dry skillet over medium-high heat. No oil needed. It'll puff up like a balloon. That steam inside creates the pocket, and it's honestly so satisfying to watch. After flipping your pita, you want to press it down slightly so that you create more air pockets in the center. These taste better than anything you'll buy at a store, and they cost almost nothing. By the way, if you're already planning to make these, screenshot your favorite and tag me at The Divine Chef. I repost the best ones to my stories. Which bread are you making first? Comment 1 for garlic bread, 2 for pita, or 3 for focaccia. And now for the showstopper, budget focaccia. Crispy golden crust, a fluffy airy center, beautiful enough to serve at any dinner party or give as a gift. And it costs just $1.59 for an entire pan. This is that beginner focaccia bread recipe that makes people think you went to culinary school. Now let's make it. That's less than a fancy coffee for bread that looks like it came from an Italian bakery. Cover and let it rise for 1 to 2 hours until it's puffy and doubled. Now drizzle some oil onto a baking sheet or a pan and spread your dough out with your hands. Let it rest for about 20 minutes. Drizzle more olive oil generously over the top. Don't be shy. Here's the fun part. Press your fingers into the dough to create those signature dimples. This isn't just for looks, it traps olive oil and creates texture. Add your toppings and decorate with whatever veggies you like. And top with a little sea salt. Bake at 425 degrees Fahrenheit, that's 220 Celsius, for 20 to 25 minutes until golden and crispy on the edges. Hear that? That's crispy perfection. Serve this with soup, salad, olive oil for dipping, or just eat it straight. No judgment here. All right, let's add it up. Garlic pull-apart bread, $1.49. Pita bread, 94 cents. Focaccia, $1.59. That's 3 homemade bakery quality breads for under $5 total. If you bought these at a store or bakery, you easily spend $15 to $18 total. So you're saving over 15 bucks, and that's just from one baking session. Make these once a week, and you're saving over $700 a year. That's a weekend trip, a new gadget, or just money back in your pocket. And here's the thing, you just learned 3 fundamental bread techniques. Master these and you've unlocked dozens of other recipes. This isn't just dinner, it's a skill set. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up so you don't miss out on any new budget-friendly recipes. Save this to your playlist for your next baking day and tag someone who needs to try these breads because everyone should know how easy and cheap homemade bread can be. You can support the channel by buying me a coffee or picking up one of my Plants on Pennies cookbooks, and I'll put the link in the description below. And it truly helps me keep creating content like this just for you. Now here's my challenge. Make all 3 breads this weekend and let me know which one your household devoured first. I'm betting on the focaccia. Thanks so much for baking with me. Now go check out my full day of eating for under $1 per serving video, where I make a full day of eating, starting with breakfast and ending with dessert. I'll see you next time on the next video. Bye for now.